Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about turtleneck and the different styles of crochet and knitting ponchos. You can see different styles and different varieties of crochet and knitting poncho in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty. Turtleneck ponchos are more flattering. As you know, common turtleneck crochet and knitting ponchos neckline include turtleneck, cowl neck and v-neck. Pretty much everyone can wear cowl, scope and v-necks as they are universally flattering. Turtleneck crochet and knitting ponchos provide more warmth, but it can have a shorting effect through the neck and face. Because ponchos are great, as you know, crochet and knitting turtleneck ponchos are great because they keep you warm and you can ultra chic. However, you have to remember that crochet and knitting ponchos aren't sweater or jackets. They often have opening the let cool area in, some have short sleeves, and most are pretty baggy. The number one tip to styling a crochet and knitting ponchos is to work with layer. Wearing a crochet and knitting ponchos to work can look drastic if you wear it right, that is to be extra chic while going to work on those cold winter days. It is recommended to choose an hooded crochet and knitting ponchos will you keep you warm but at the same time stylish and look very gorgeous. You can wear different sizes and different varieties of side button crochet and knitting neckline ponchos, up down crochet and knitting neckline ponchos, and open front crochet and knitting ponchos according to your choice. You can buy different styles and different varieties of crochet and knitting ponchos in order, and also by market. Many sizes and many varieties are easily available in market, and you can wear these crochet and knitting ponchos in your function, in your parties, as a casual day, in winter season and also in summer season according to fashion. And if you want to make these crochet and knitting ponchos in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care, may God bless you. I pray love for your health and wealth. Members mean your prayers. Thanks for supporting us, and don't forget to see my videos on my YouTube channel regularly, and goodbye.